Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder. First, understand the various types available, such as whey, casein, and plant-based options, to find what suits you best. Next, assess your personal protein requirements, considering your activity level and fitness goals. Finally, select a protein powder that aligns with your dietary preferences and any specific health needs. This foundational knowledge ensures you make an informed choice for your supplement routine. Knowing when and how much to take is key. For optimal muscle recovery and growth, consume protein powder within an hour after your workout. A typical serving size ranges from 20 to 30 grams of protein per shake, but adjust based on your individual needs. You can also use protein powder as a convenient, high-protein snack or a quick meal replacement to help meet your daily nutritional targets. Protein powder is incredibly versatile and goes far beyond just basic shakes. Try blending it into your morning smoothies with your favorite fruits and vegetables for an extra nutrient boost. Unflavored protein powder can be seamlessly mixed into oatmeal, yogurt, or even pancake batter without altering the taste. Get creative and experiment with adding it to baking recipes like muffins or cookies for a healthier, protein-packed treat. To truly maximize the benefits of protein powder, remember to stay well hydrated throughout your day, particularly as you increase your protein intake. Protein powder works best as part of a holistic approach, so combine it with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and a consistent exercise routine. This synergy will help you achieve your fitness and health goals more effectively. Also, for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to support your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.